This 2017 Maserati Levante is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2017 Maserati Levante AWD 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engines, F8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, all-wheel drive navigation system, rear view camera, premium sound system, rear parking aid, front parking aid, heated front seats, ventilated front seats, memory seats, XN and headlights, adaptive light control system, power automatic windows, cruise control, dial power and heated exterior mirrors, keyless and tri-keyless start, power rear tailgate, white exterior, red leather interior, owner's manual, floor mats under Maserati factory warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2017 Maserati Levante is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination, although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and apt pricing on OCC. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.